Greetings, Mellow Gang, and welcome back to Cooking with Marshmello. Oh, well, look at you two, Marshmello and Pokimane. Just finished some duos in Fortnite, eh? Well, in honor of your new series, perhaps you should whip up some perfect snacks for gaming. What do you think, Mello? For today's recipe, we'll require fontina cheese, Parmesan cheese, cherry tomatoes, sliced prosciutto, fresh basil, olive oil, and, of course, some pizza dough. First things first, lightly sprinkle a baking sheet with flour. Now, roll out the pizza dough on another surface. Using a cookie cutter, slice up the sheet into roughly 15 rounds of dough. And clear! Once cut, place them on the prepared baking sheet. Now sprinkle the rounds with fontina cheese. Add the tomatoes and top them off with Parmesan cheese. Next, place the pan in the oven for approximately 12 minutes. That might be just enough time for... Once a golden brown, drizzle the pizzettes with olive oil and add basil on top. Finally, add prosciutto on top.
Game over.
And there you have it, little pizzettes, the perfect snack to accompany gaming in the Mellow Cave. Thanks for joining us this week on Cooking with Marshmello. And be sure to check out our new series, Gaming with Marshmello. Until next time, everyone.